Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your PSN accounts on your PlayStation 4. Let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. If this is your first time watching a YourSixStudios video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love to show you guys how to and live stream on this channel. So I have too many PlayStation accounts on my PS4 and I want to delete one off. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I randomly created this one yesterday. Let's go ahead and log into one and delete one off my PS4. So on the top bar, we're going to want to go all the way to the right to Settings. Click on Settings and scroll down to Login Settings. Now, if you watch other videos, they tell you to go to User. That is no longer an option. It is under Login Settings now. So let's go ahead and select Login Settings and go down to User Management and select User Management. And from here we have the option to create and delete users. So let's go ahead and delete a user now. And let's go ahead and delete user number 1. Select that and then go over to delete and confirm. Now this will only delete it off your PlayStation 4. The account is still available to be used if you want to use it at some other point in time, if you know the email address and the password. And then from here on out, you can go ahead and delete another user if you like to. It's very simple and easy. And when we go back to the main screen, as you can see, I only have 5 user accounts. So it has deleted the one off my PS4 permanently. If you thought this was a good tutorial, give me a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to my channel down below. And check out some of the other videos I have coming up next on YourSixStudios. And possibly check out one of my live streams in the future.